Hello, my name is Salih Mertuzun. I'm a sophomore computer engineering student at Bilkent University. In this video, I'm going to explain my project, Experimental Verification of Mechanical Energy Conservation and Determination of the Coefficient of Restitution for Different Surfaces. As stated in the title, objective of this experiment is twofold. First, to verify the law of conservation of mechanical energy during free fall, and secondly, using this law of conservation of mechanical energy that is just proved, determine the coefficient of restitution E for collision on mosaic tile, wooden, and metal surfaces. Theoretically, it is expected that the loss in potential energy is equal to the gain in kinetic energy, giving a linear relationship between velocity squared and height. For the collisions, coefficient of restitution will be derived by measuring the square root of the rebound heights over drop heights. This formula is derived using the conservation law for mechanical energy. For the first part, a spherical object is released from the rest at 5 distinct heights ranging from 60 centimeters to 1 meter. For each height, I measured the fall time using a stopwatch and a slow motion camera across 5 trials to minimize random errors. Using the average time, I calculated the final impact velocity. It was expected that the graph of average final speed squared versus height to have a slope approximately equal to 2g, which is 19.62 meter over second square. Here you see me doing the free fall experiment on different heights. This is done 5 times for each different height level. Next, I investigated collisions. I dropped the same spherical object on 3 different rigid surfaces: mosaic tile, wood, and metal plate. I used a slow motion camera to capture motion and accurately estimate the maximum rebound height against a reference ruler. By comparing the square root of rebound height over here I am doing the experiment for mosaic tile surface. Now I'm applying the same procedure on wooden surface. And now on metal plate surface. By calculating the square root of the rebound height over initial drop height, I determined the coefficient of restitution for each material. The results highly aligned with expectations. The freefall analysis yielded an experimental slope of 19.24 corresponding to a G of 9.62 meter over second square, with only 1.94% error. For the coefficients of restitution, the values found for all surfaces are falling within the expected theoretical ranges. As seen in the results, some errors occurred. The main reason behind these errors was human reaction time while using the stopwatch and parallax errors while estimating the heights. In this experiment, I have successfully proved the law of conservation of mechanical energy and found the coefficient of restitution for 3 different kinds of surfaces. Here you can see the data collected during the experiments.